Welcome back to the WP Week. This is episode 118, delivering the latest heartbeat of the WordPress universe. We're diving into big headlines and the nuanced changes shaping the community, sharing the news, trends, and insights that keep you at the forefront. Today's episode is sponsored by Kinsta, 20i and WP Job Openings plugin. Kinsta delivers lightning-fast load times, enterprise-grade security, and automatic daily backups powered by Google Cloud's premium tier network. 20i are redefining WordPress hosting, combining their auto-scaling cloud platform with high-frequency CPUs for exceptional speed and reliability. Plus, you get integrated staging, WordPress Manager, CDN, and caching, no plugins required. And WP Job Openings is the easiest way to set up a professional career page and start accepting applications in just minutes. The big news this week comes from the announcement of the WordPress 6.9 release squad. Leading the release is Matt Mullenweg, with Akshaya Rane and Amy Kamala handling release coordination. The tech leads include David Baumwald, Ella Van Derpe, and Hector Prieto, while Francisco Vera will oversee design. Aki Hamano and Ryan Welcher take charge of triage, and Jonathan Bossinger, alongside Krupa Nanda, will lead testing. The squad is ready to guide the community through what promises to be another exciting release. In other WordPress news, the WordPress Credits Program, initially piloted with the University of Pisa, is moving from alpha to beta as it scales. Key updates include finalizing infrastructure, refining student materials, and testing virtual classrooms on learn.wordpress.org. Fidelitas University will join this fall with 15 students, with broader participation expected by 2026. The WordPress accessibility team is currently seeking 2 new team reps, with voting open until Tuesday, August 26, 2025. Security remains a major focus in the ecosystem. A SQL injection vulnerability affecting over 10,000 sites in the LifterLMS plugin has been patched. Similarly, Redirection for Contact Form 7 received a fix for an unauthenticated arbitrary file deletion vulnerability that could lead to remote code execution. Dokan Pro plugin users are urged to update after a privilege escalation flaw affecting 15,000 sites was patched in version 4.0.6. GoDaddy researchers also uncovered the Help TDS operation, where a malicious plugin called WooCommerce Inputs redirected visitors to tech support, dating, and cryptocurrency scams while harvesting data. On the brighter side, WooCommerce 10.1.1 has been released, offering UI improvements, smoother checkout, enhanced payment flows, and more flexible shipping rates. Digital Plat, a nonprofit supported by 1Password, the Hack Club, Twilio, GitHub, and Cloudflare, announced free domain names for the open-source community. Google Ads rolled out its Asset Studio beta, making ad asset creation and scaling more streamlined using AI, while Ahrefs launched a tracker comparing referral traffic from ChatGPT and Google Search, covering 44,421 sites. Google also quietly introduced site-level reporting for its search partner network, finally providing visibility into ad placements beyond Google Search. Big Scoots and Memberful announced a partnership allowing Memberful clients to use premium hosting on Big Scoots managed hosting services. In community updates, Elliot Sowersby received a third-party trademark notice for the simple Cloudflare Turnstile plugin, while Felix Arntz shared a preview of the PHP AI Client SDK, enabling developers to interact with multiple AI providers via a single API. Early bird tickets for PressConf 2026 are now available, and Checkout Summit 2026 has been scheduled for April 23rd to 24th in Palermo, Italy. LifterLMS 9.0 focuses on enhanced security, usability, and student engagement. A new DevRel project under the Linux Foundation has also launched, offering centralized resources for developer relations. ZipDBP reached 1 million users, WP2FA surpassed 80,000 active installs, and HumanMade is sponsoring Ryan Rietveld's initiative to improve accessibility documentation. Barn2 Plugins is revamping 404 pages to improve navigation, while Casper's Dambies highlighted licensing issues in MemberPress, and Andres Guseo created a one-click Google Calendar script for WordCamp US 2025. Topher DeRosia launched his personal portfolio site, Topher. How? And Nick Gernert stepped down as WordPress VIP CEO, with Steph Yu taking the reins. Finally, several new projects are making waves. AskaiWP, developed by Bhargav Pandari, brings an AI chat assistant to WordPress sites, while Mahyar Rezgi introduced Chakide, an AI summarizer. DBlocks CodePro transforms the block editor into a powerful code development environment. The strict CSP plugin helps mitigate XSS vulnerabilities, and Visibility Scheduler by Dhananjay Kuber allows block visibility scheduling. Aaron Jorbin has also started a WordPress Book Club to foster discussion and diverse perspectives on authors' works. That wraps up this week's episode of the WP Week Podcast. Thanks for listening to the WP Week Podcast, sponsored by Kinsta, 20i, and WP Job Openings. Stay tuned, stay updated, and as always, keep contributing to make WordPress better for everyone.